7-speed touchpad controls with LED indicators: off, on, pulse, stir, chop, mix, puree, food processor and ice crush. Cord length, 36 inches. 3-cup food processor attachment with feed tube and pusher, slicing/shredding disc and chopping blade. Powerful 500-watt motor. Large 48-ounce. Glass blender jar, clear 2-ounce. Measured pour lid. All removable parts are dishwasher safe. Cuisinart powerful new 7-speed blender also has a genuine Cuisinart food processor. A heavy-duty 500-watt motor pulses, stirs, mixes, purees, chops and even crushes ice in record time. In food processor mode, users can slice, shred or process ingredients right into a 3-cup work bowl. It's big, it's powerful and it's easy. Removable parts are dishwasher safe. Features: full power 500-watt motor with overload protection, vertical bar die-cast metal housing, vertical bar 48-ounce glass blender jar with premium ultra-sharp stainless steel blade assembly, vertical bar 3-cup food processor attachment with feed tube and pusher, slicing/shredding disc and stainless steel chopping blade, vertical bar 7-speed electronic touchpad controls with LED indicators, vertical bar removable 2-ounce measuring cap on blender jar lid, vertical bar recipe book, vertical bar limited 3-year warranty, vertical bar BPA free. Top reviews from the United States. Affordable and versatile. I cook for 2 and have a small kitchen, so look for useful compact tools. I use the mini food processor regularly to blend hummus or sauces or shred/slice veggies, as well as the blender for larger jobs. This is my second set and I have used this Duo for many years. For the price and size, it's a workhorse. The only downside is it's loud, so I wear an earmuff.